My dear students, welcome to my channel and welcome to my class. So we were discussing about history of cartography or history of map, how the evolution of that cartography that helped the processing of different types of maps and the important why the cartography is important, why the maps are important. So we were discussed a lot, and in that previous class we were discussed about maps, different elements of map likewise. And in this video we were discussed, in the last video we were discussed about the Babylonians map, how the Babylonians maps were Babylonians maps was important. So today we are going to discuss about the maps that created by Egypt, the peoples in Egypt, then the peoples in Greek, and the peoples in what that Roman. So whatever it is that Egypt, that is located in between that Asia and Africa, and the what Greek and Roman, that is in Europe. Fine. And you know that the all the major that invention, the skills of writing, then language, then democracy, that all those things are that originated from Greeks, and these three places, this Egypt, the Greece, and the Roman, these both are very popular and popular countries in any time, at the time of civilization, development of civilization. These places are very popular. Greece civilization, Roman civilization, Egyptian civilization is very popular, right? And the importance of Egypt, you know that everyone have seen that Mummy movie. That is the what that pyramid and all those things. These are the most important things that connected with the Egypt. So let us go through the major content, and I always please ask your doubts. Then only I can clear that doubts. And please ask your doubts, and I will clear your doubts. So let us go through the major content. So Egyptian maps. See, Egyptian maps, these are the first major points. Egyptians were advanced for their time, developed written language in the fourth millennium before Christ. Fine, before BCE, before Christ era. Advanced in the fields of mathematics, agriculture, then quarrying, medicine, art, and architecture. They left as even less cartographic evidence than the Babylonians. If you are comparing with Babylonians, this Egyptian people has very few maps, used papyrus and wood instead of clay. See, what the Babylonians made the map on clay, but these people used paper and wood. Fine. See, these are the few examples that Egyptians maps. Fine. Map on coffin means that you know that. See that coffin, you know that word Shavpeti. Fine. Lids from 2000 BC illustrate both water and land routes to the underworld. Idealized floats of land and gods. Example from what that 2000 sorry, not 2000, 1400 BC. Land was to be in the curious combination of perspectives, plan, and profiles. Fine. Then survey maps were perhaps the most common Egyptian maps. Means surveying means their own measurements and all those things. Annual floodings of the Nile necessitated accurate map to re-establish boundaries. See, you know that the Egypt, that is known as the gift of the Nile. Right? Nile in the Dhanam, gift of the Nile. So that Nile river created some kinds of floodings. So to re-establish the land boundaries, they used the maps. See what I said, that Babylonians, why they created maps? Because of re-establishing their boundaries. So here also, in this case also, Egyptians case also, they are just created the map to re-establish their land boundary after flooding. Fine. You know that in 2018, 2019, we people are also the victims of flooding. Fine. Nowadays you can identify your boundary with the help of modern technologies, but in that before Christ we have only these kinds of wood, paper and clay. Fine. So maps were used for taxation purpose. So see, that time also these people used for revenue collection or taxation. There were no surveying examples. We know about them from Egyptian manuscripts. Manuscripts means some kinds of written documents. Fine. See, these are the example of maps and Egyptian maps. See that maps of gold mines. That name, that is known as maps of gold mines. That what we can call is a Turin papyrus. Papyrus means nothing, paper. Fine. Map of gold mines. They created topographic maps. Topographic maps is nothing representing topography, geomorphology. It's about geology. Located between the Nile and Red Sea. Then had two legends. See, these all are the maps that created. Right. Egyptians were created the maps of that gold mines. That is known as Turin papyrus, map of gold mines. Then topographical maps located between the Nile and Red Sea had two legends. Fine. These properties that is connected with Egyptian maps. Fine. Now that are the major facts about the Egyptian map. So kindly watch this video, and I'm waiting for your comments. Fine. We will discuss more about these things. So Babylonians and now Egyptians. Good. So please watch the video, and I always welcome your comments, and definitely one more video is on the way. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.